for pure nails crazy good. Yeah. Oh my god, what is he doing there? Oh! What was that? I never seen that before. Is he glitching? What is that? Stop! I don't like it! Ah! That threw me for what happened. There we go. So close! Yeah, botness is, well, Kaylee would know more than I would. Oh! No! Shit! No! I didn't do it! I didn't do the dream nail! What do I do? I healed instead of using the dream. Die? Alright, yeah. Oh my god! I'm sorry, Hornet! Shit! Well. Oh no, this is not good. Not good. She come here. Oh my god. God. Oh, gotcha. Whoa! Flame consumed. Okay, that was a pain in the ass. Wonderful, wonderful. My kin arrive and the time has come. So what's this gonna involve? I'm a little concerned. Oh no. I was not ready for this, was I? Dance with me, my friend. The crowd awaits. Show them you are worthy of a starring role. I don't have the charm set up for this. Oh no. Oh my god. Well, this is not great. Oh my god. Oh, wonderful. This is... I should not have gone there. Sir! Sir! Jesus Christ! Nope. This is a lot of nope. Oh no, I'm going to die. This is insane. Oh, I'm dead. Oh, the spiders pissed him off, really? Well, let's just take the spiders off and we'll reattempt that. Sir! This is not, no! Dang it! Poke. I hate losing at this game. He makes me so mad losing to a boss that I know, exactly! That's exactly how I feel. I know I can do it. Oh, 700 deaths, woo! Breathe. Gotcha! Yes! Oh, my god. Woo! Yay! Oh, is that it? Yay! Yes! Victory!
Yes. Right before we went starting soon.
I got the ad starting soon.
We were talking about veganism. Don't ask.
It was very organic.
Yeah, Larissa was talking about like spinach smoothies that you make, and she said with like spinach and Kevlar.
I said
and
it
the three of us
hesitantly.
went, what?
I said it hesitantly because I was trying to think of the word.
Are you trying to say kale?
Yes.
And it's just like, yeah, kale. Why did I think Kevlar? I was like, I don't know, but you're not going to be able to blend
I know
Kevlar
what I was
into a
thinking.
smoothie.
I just realized it was quinoa.
What?
Oh, quinoa!
Oh, quinoa!
I think I got
That's
kale
even
and
worse.
quinoa
That
together
starts
and
with a
became
Q.
Kevlar.
Starts with a Q, Larissa.
And quinoa, and that became Kevlar somehow.
Well,
Well
quinoa
done.
doesn't sound like it's spelled with a Q.
Quinoa.
Quinoa.
Okay, exactly.
Yes, because the sturgeon
So we
was
can.
one.
Yep.
My
Because the sturgeons are
baby!
meaty heads.
My baby!
Oh, that's right.
And it's a baby girl.
Your baby.
We already know
What's
what
the ba-
I'm
what's-
naming
what's-
her.
No.
Oh, that's right. I forgot, yeah.
Ruby.
Wait, does that mean that we have 2 girls and 2 boys?
I have a boy.
I have
I
a
can't
girl.
remember what I've got.
I think yours was a
bad
boy.
parent.
Husband's like, I have a child.
I have a goober. That's all I know.
I think yours was a boy.
Listen, once you
Yay.
have the aggro, tanking's pretty brain dead.
Ooh.
Thank you for the resub, Nady. Koala hat or Tessie Devil hat?
Making a FaceTime audio
No, Siri, no, no! God damn it, Siri. Oh, shit.
Oh, come on now!
Oh no, I think I knocked quite a few of us off.
Yeah, it got me. Oh my god, look at all of the dead people.
It was us three, we're 3 dead just laying in together.
Oh, you can see my underwear, don't look.
Watch out,
Alright,
guys!
Kaylee, move.
I'm moving! I can't find my way out of here.
Hold on, I'm coming for you. Woo, she is.
Oh, it's so cute.
Hey. Look how pretty it is.
Oh my
so
god.
pretty.
And the crystal's still really gay.
Yay.
Yes.
Don't
look
drop
at
I'm
this
so
inside.
small.
G Warrior, do the thing.
I'm picking that one.
We look so confident for that line.
Yes,
Oh, it's so cool.
look at this. Oh, this is so cool.
Now get ready to strike. I'm taking like 600 screenshots right now.
It's time to fry this
I just
overgrown
quick-clipped
squid.
Yeah.
Yeah, I gotta do that. Come now. Passwords are invariably short and simple, for instance. Oh god.
Oh no.
Password.
Alizate.
Oh
My face!
Oh my god.
The notion that the password could be something so inane would be laughable were it not dangerously stupid. Furthermore, your conduct in the presence of His Highness is grossly inappropriate. Know your place, handmaiden.
Oh! What did that cute thing just call me?
Oh no, she's gonna
Uh-oh.
destroy it. She's gonna break that thing.
I'm gonna be so cold.
Hey!
Hey.
Oh my god, it's been so long! I got really excited.
It has been a while.
Oh,
After the
voice acting.
disappointment of
Voice
not
acting.
seeing you in Alamigo.
Oh, I'm so glad to see
Yay!
you. Delighted, happy.
Aw.
Yeah, I'm so far ahead of you guys now.
Yes.
Gaboo!
He's so cute.
Is so adorable.
The newest Scion.
What?
Wait, what? I did. Yes, my head arrived.
We're talking about our different heads.
really wasn't.
Okay, now we just need to survive. Suns. Ah! Damn it, I fell off the edge. Poof! That's alright, it's only 1 health. Just going for it. Ah! I must be close. Where is he? Oh my god, he's... Oh! Okay, this is new. Look in the background. Oh, this is new. Try not to panic. Try not to panic. Oh! Am I meant to get to him? Yes! I think we did it! I think we did it! That was the Hollow Knight. That's the Hollow Knight. Oh! Oh my god! It's happening! Hey guys! Oh my god, look at all of the dream essence! Oh my god! I did it! I did it! I finally did it! Oh my god! Oh. This is kind of pretty. Oh, there's Hornet! I hope she's okay. Hornet? Are you okay? You have a sequel, so you must be okay. There she is. Oh. Yeah. I thought that would happen. We helped release all of that. Oh, look, it's all our brethren. Are we all free now? Oh, they track me, those little flames. Jesus. I got him! Yes! Think I may have got that one? Just as I died? Yes! Hey, victory! Okay, I haven't been this far in. Oh! He's sleeping? Am I meant to dream that in? Oh, nightmare as in dream nightmare. Oh, I get it now. I get it now, and I'm afraid. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, I don't like the look of this. I can hear the heartbeat. I don't like the sound of this. What is this? Hello? Oh. I'm terrified. Nightmare King Grim. Shit. Oh. Hello. Okay. Oh, that's the same attack those little guys were doing. Oh, and it's already killed me. Hi everyone. Look who's here, but has transformed into a dog. I'm dating a dog now.
That's
yes.
weird.
Chris looking sexy as always. Visuality.
I spent good money on this for work, and then they changed the work thing to Teams and not Zoom, so I can't use it for work anymore, so I'll bloody use it here.
Why does his face move like that? It's so weird.
Because it does, okay? It's just the way it works.
That beard is a bit out of control.
Yeah, it is. I've spent all COVID growing it, and it looks fabulous, if I say so myself.
Oh god. Come jump on this with me.
Help me pull this down.
No.
No.
Chris is too
I'm a
busy.
hamster in a wheel.
It's not even working.
Absolutely.
Come help me pull this down.
You are so demanding.
Yep.
Hey, my body feels weird.
Because you're made of clay.
Don't you feel weird? I mean, you're made of wood?
A bit stiff.
Bit stiff.
Same here.
Oh, Cody, will you please focus?
All right, all right. Let's get those fuses.
Well, I've got 2 out of the 3. Now I need to find the one that ran off.
Fuse get to?
No, mate,
Don't.
mate, that's bad. Well, I died.
That was shocking.
Chris, don't, because you're gonna do it as well.
Double checking. But first we don't succeed.
This way.
No! Go hamster, go hamster, go hamster, go hamster, go hamster, go, 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 go. Go hamster, go hamster, go hamster.
Right. This is serious. We're hunting fuses with legs.
Chris is gonna kill himself on every habitat object in this game. You guys just said the same thing.
You wanna get back to Rose?
Yes.
You wanna talk to your daughter?
Yes.
You two must learn collaboration.
That's not our strong point.
Aha.
No.
Collaboration is the key to a successful relationship.
Oh my god, the way he's
What is with the
moving.
air humps? Oh my god.
You
Please no.
understand?
Please no.
I'll see you later. Hasta la vista. Good luck.
Alright, bye-bye now. Crazy book.
Yeah! I can't speak up. Fine. Right, I got it.
Whee! That's not where I'm meant to go!
Fine.
Woo!
After you.
Not bad. Don't let go.
Just keep holding that door.
Just stress relief.
Alright, now you can come through the fan.
I don't know. Oh. Ah! Ah!
Yes!
For fuck's sakes, Chris!
So jumping's time.
Woo! Woof. Okay. Oh no. Oh good lord. Okay. Will you stop hitting me with the nail?
May, do I look like a nail to you?
Ha!
Oh, my head.
You son of a bitch!
Sweet move. I like your style, man.
Oh, I'll need you to shoot the nail up here.
That's it.
I love it if you're upside down. Some of them.
Bingo.
Katie wins. Yeah.
I'm too fast for you.
I'll be
Ah,
the
damn
next
it.
time.
Come on!
Alrighty.
That's not fair. I gotta run around. You can just shoot.
Holy crap, that is unfair.
That is so unfair.
Alright, ready, set,
Set.
go.
Go. You bugger.
Alright, ready? Go.
Christopher. Oh, yeah.
He stopped.
Time to finish this.
Suck out his eyeballs!
Yes!
Yes!
Oh my god.
Kind of. They tried to kill us.
Oh my god.
Ooh, suck out those eyeballs.
That is horrific.
That's it, Drew. Suck it good.
Oh my god. Oop, not into the water. We can't swim. Oh no, we're good.
Oh,
no.
Nope.
Oh,
Don't you smack
shit.
my Toshig.
Oh
Ah, you
no.
gave me the spanky. Let's go. Matrix style.
Yeah. Oh no.
Move right along, please. Do not push the red button.
Well, Grace is gonna push the button. Nope.
Ooh, she gave me the good old suck.
Oh my
Uh-oh.
god.
Oh, these red buttons look interesting.
Ah, you evil son
Oh
of a
my
bitch.
goodness. You're the one who jumped in there.
You spin my head round DMCA.
Around you go.
Oh no. Ah.
That's squirrel tip, all right.
Oh my god.
Holy crap, you were kicking my butt this time.
You're probably letting me.
I'm really not.
No. Oh no, I didn't hit that one. Hey, I won!
Clearly made for this.
Yay!
Shooting plungers isn't real shooting.
Bloody oath.
Danny wanted to buy me a fake beard.
You can get beer wigs.
You can get what?
Wigs
Beard wigs.
that are
Beard
beers.
wigs.
Beer wigs.
Oh, beard wigs. I thought you said beer wigs.
I did actually say beer wigs.
I
I
think you
meant
did.
beard.
I knew what you meant.
I said beer. It's already starting. Listen.
It's
Oh, I should shut my dog. Chris is really loud.
Blesseth thou.
Oh, sorry.
Blesseth thee.
Hey, in your face,
Thank
woman.
you. My face exploded. Ooh, parrots.
It was somewhere down here.
I just misfired. What happened to you?
It happens to
I
1 in 10.
It's actually 1 in 3.
Listen, I wasn't sure what the exact beat was. I just gave it a
Oh.
shot.